If you want to add or change keyboard language on your Motorola smartphone, first we're gonna open our keyboard. So try to pop up the keyboard and then search for this setting icon. This can be at the top of the keyboard over here, or you need to tap on these 4 squares on the left side in order to find it then in that place. Now once you open keyboard settings, we can go to languages, and then over here you can see all languages that are so far added. You can press add keyboard in order to choose the language that you want to add to your phone. You can also tap on search over here in order to simply try to search for a specific language. There we go. We can toggle multilingual typing. We can also see a bunch of different layouts that you can of course choose whichever you want to use, and then we can tap on it down in the bottom right corner. If you want to, you can tap on edit in the upper right corner, and you can get rid of all languages that you don't need to use anymore. And also in edit you can change the order of these languages quite easily. If you want to, you can of course keep more than one language on the languages. And if you do, if you go back to the keyboard, you should be able to tap on this globe icon that you can see here in the bottom right corner in order to switch between different languages. You can see the current language on the spacebar, or you can press and hold your finger on the spacebar in order to choose whichever language you want to use. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.